Hey Phil, I just wanted to walk through this process with you and show you a couple things you might be able to try. Um, I'm not able to access your course specifically, so what I would encourage you to do is go to your Moodle shell, scroll down here, and find Gradebook Setup. Click there. From there, you want to go make sure the Setup tab is there, and then just scroll down and find the final exam total. Okay, so I found the final exam is right here. It says it's out of 200 points, okay? So just make sure that that is what it says in your Moodle gradebook. After that, what you want to do is then we're going to go to View, and then I will select Single View, and then we will pick out the final exam grade. So when you scroll down, that's available right there. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can put each of these, you'll have your list of students and you can put their grade in out of 200, okay? So whatever that is out of 200, if they got 156, you're gonna put 156 in there, and then you'll just go ahead and save that. And then from that, your students should be able to see this. If that's not the case, let me know. So go ahead and give that a try and let me know how that goes.